First, hold the two outside buttons down, and all you're doing is clearing anything that's in there out.
Okay.
All right. Now that tells me it's clear.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Now, I think it was. I done forgot.
The middle one did the other door.
Okay. All right. So now, which one of these three up here do you want?
I want this for the small door and that for this big
For this
one.
big door.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're doing now, we're going to learn the transmitter to the vehicle.
Okay.
Now the door's going to open behind me. All right. Now, hopefully it learned. All right.
All right.
Now what we got to do. The black square button,
Yeah.
that's your program button.
Okay.
Push it,
Okay.
the little blue light will come on,
Okay.
then the purple light.
Okay.
It's in learn mode now.
Awesome.
Okay, then we'll push, release. There we go.
That easy. So you just kept pushing it, right?
Yeah, sometimes it'll take a few seconds to pick
Okay.
up. Okay.
It worked.
Now